getting backlinks from your beloved competitors. Don't forget to subscribe. In this real world, your enemy is your enemy. But in the SEO world, your enemy is your best friend. You will make use of your competitors, put their sites on SEMRUSH, Ahref or Majestic and extract all their backlinks in the Excel file. Then you will spend the rest of your day to see where they have made backlinks so far. You will open every backlink, then you will ask the question to your heart, may I make a backlink here? Your heart will say, OMG, this backlink is on Blogspot and it's as easy as to subscribe tongue. You will follow the yesterday rule, make a blog like a real one. It would better if you watch the episode 5, link given below. You will see other things too. Some backlinks will be on Tumblr, Reddit, and some other websites where you can make a free backlink or a paid one in the form of a guest post provided you're working on the same niche. If you want a real demo, then you can download this backlink statue of ProPakistani at bit.ly weblink. Check all the backlinks of ProPakistani from the source URL section of the Excel file. Create a backlink where you can if you belong to the same niche. Some backlinks are toxic, check on Moz Site Explorer. If it has a spam score more than 2, don't make there. If you don't have such an account, then you can comment the URL of your competitor below. I will send you the Excel file as I get time. Make sure after commenting, remove the preview of the URL. If I tell you the resources where you can create a backlink, half of the members of this group would attack the sites. Use your common sense, follow your competitors' path how they have made the backlinks by using the websites mentioned above. You just have to put the link, and extract the data in an Excel in one click, and implement for your site. Don't forget to subscribe.